In this guide, I will show with you how you can log in PostFinance without any problem. So guys, all you have to do, go to Google, search for PostFinance. This is the keyword, click login. After that, click the first website here, and then you will see this page. From here, click login option. When you click on login option, guys, you will see this login page. You can log in through your QR code. Just you can scan this QR code to log in, or you can log in with your ID number, utilizations, and password. Write your ID and then write your unique password. This is the login option. So guys, after that, if you want to log in through your app, just download this app on Google Play or App Store. You can download this app without any problem, and then complete your steps to log in through this app. So guys, we hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.